I'm back. This is another tricky one I just encountered. So let's see. A lot of fluff again, but I got my 3D thing. My y-axis, my x-axis, and my key. So what's going on here? Let's see. This person proposed. So this is the person's conclusive statement, and it uses data, so we need to pay attention, I guess. So this person proposed that absent of other factors, the importance of GDP. Let's try and notate that. The importance. Oops, where's my pen? Sorry. The importance of GDP. Where are we? Per capita growth, which is black, to ULE. ULE is the thingy. Would likely increase relative to the importance of gray. So black up, gray down. What's gray? Urban population growth. So GDP will increase, UPG will be down when? As government becomes more efficient. So if efficiency is up, see, I'm trying to create my dummy down corner. This will mean GDP will be up and population will be down. So this is really what we're looking for. But when you do enough SAT questions, you will notice that they either test the proposal or its opposite. So if efficiency is down, it will be the opposite. What will happen to the other arrows? Oh well, GDP will be down as population is up. This, first of all, this is our DID. Very satisfied with this DID. But it kind of makes sense. There's a lot of people in the city. There's not enough money to go around, right? And if there are less people in the city, there's so much money to go around. That's just applying knowledge. But I think with this, I'm okay with going in. I hope you are too. So we're going to be looking for, every time efficiency is talked about, it's either it's up and GDP is up and population is down, or opposite arrows. If efficiency is down, then GDP will be down. And we can kind of like see that here. Our focus is the GDP, right? GDP seems to be the star because GDP is the one that tells us when stuff is efficient. So if you look at the GDP, which is the black, in region 1, when population was increasing, GDP was going down. And in region 2, as population decreased, GDP went up, right? Inverse relationship. So let's go in now. National government of countries in region 1, focus is region 1 here, experience declines in efficiency, that should be this, in periods 2000 to 2014, relative to that. So looking at this, it experienced decline within this period from here to here, right? I think I like this. It's using the opposite of the proposal, right? You see, that's why I always, when I have arrows up and increase or decrease, I always put the opposite in the dummy down corner, because this seems to rhyme with the opposite. But let's see the others. Remember, I'm looking for increase or decrease. So slower than. I'm not looking for rates. I'm not even reading. Remember, I'm trying to see what makes an answer wrong, like my process of elimination being sharper than my ability to pick out the right answer. So I see slower here, which is rate. If it was slower, I can guarantee you my dummy down will have some kind of rate. Most countries, excess word. So I don't think I like you. Unless it was wrong with this one. National countries of region 1 and region 2 generally became more efficient. I need one to be efficient than the other, I think. In the period, let's even see. Naturally became more efficient in the period this time than they had been in period this time, but at different rates. No. My thing is not about different rates. If it was about different rates, my dummy down corner will have it. My answer should have a decline or an increase. So I think I'm sticking with A. Let's check it. Let's get to check. Yes! So again, when you play with this and dumb it down, really bring it down to the goo goo gaga stage, you have more control over the question and you're less intimidated by the fluffiness. Notice we didn't have to read all this. Sometimes we have to come to the first sentence if we don't know, but we kind of knew what we needed just from the Matter at Orwell's proposal. Okay, let me know if you have any better approach to this so we can share with each other.